spring I was driving, every river swollen with rain, every stream toiling over the highway bridges that run high across the plains, flooded half of the Maritimes. They say it's running this way. I don't expect your love to be like mine. I trust you to know you won't mine as I know mine. Can it really be so effortless? All in my sight, many hillsides, green and black and distant, in the rivers, serpentine and glinting. Oh, I know there's so much it just can't mean you and me, still caught up in heartache and grief, yet to come, yet to see. Feel like I'm seeing double, all joy, all trouble. My friends say be careful, or be grateful, or be glad, or thoughtful. Don't move too fast, don't let it pass you by. Don't expect your love to be like mine. Oh, I trust you to know you're mine.